In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to fix try searching to get started issue on YouTube. If you are facing the issue of not seeing any videos on your YouTube homepage and it says try searching to get started, don't worry, it's a common problem that can be easily fixed. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the search button at the top right. And search for any channel you like. Watch their videos and subscribe to them as well. Remember, the more you engage with content on YouTube by searching and watching videos, the better YouTube will become at recommending videos suited to your tastes. So don't hesitate to start exploring and searching for the types of videos that make your time on YouTube enjoyable. After you do these same steps for 1 or 2 days, it will fix your issue, and YouTube will recommend you videos based on the content you watch, and it will populate the homepage with videos tailored to your preferences. Basically, when you see this message, YouTube just wants you to look for videos that interest you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.